Welcome to Tech Spectrum. This video will be going over the top 5 dive consoles. These items were selected based on our personal preferences, and we hope they'll help in choosing what's best for you. Number 1. Best Overall Console, Oceanic Pro Plus X. The Oceanic Pro Plus X tops our list as the best overall dive console. At the heart of the console is an amazingly bright, thin film transistor display that lets you easily see dive data in bright surface conditions, or you can lower the intensity during night dives. The large screen has an intuitive color-coded interface, high-resolution bar graphs, and the largest digits of any dive computer. Plus, its 4 buttons let you quickly set it up and get right into your dive. Never guess about where you're heading again with its advanced 3D digital compass that features north, reference, and reverse reference modes. Choose the right algorithm for your dive with access to Pelagic C+ and Pelagic D-SAT options. The dual algorithms allow you to choose your conservatism to best match your dive buddy. An accurate count of how much longer you can remain underwater with the airtime remaining feature, and use the dive time remaining feature to calculate your remaining dive time based on airtime remaining, nitrogen, and oxygen absorption. Don't worry about forgetting to activate the console with the push button. Just jump right in and automatic activation will do it for you. The console will simply operate in air mode until you tell it otherwise. As you get more experience, you can easily program up to 3 nitrox mixtures between 21% to 100%. The console can also be set for use in an extended range gauge mode. Never miss an alarm again with user-customized audible alarms and a flashing LED warning light that will easily get your attention. Additionally, the console has a rechargeable lithium battery that lasts up to 60 hours, Diver Log Plus integration with Bluetooth 4.0 technology, and a quick disconnect on the hose. If you're looking for a top-performing option, the Oceanic Pro Plus X is tough to beat. Number 2. Best Technical Console, Aqualung i550C. The Aqualung i550C is our pick as the best dive console for tech divers. This easy-to-read, large-face console allows you to focus on your dive and comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of features. Dive how you like with 3 operating modes, including air mode, nitrox mode, and gauge mode, plus an additional free dive mode. Enjoy accurate gas management and real-time calculations with the patented gas time remaining algorithm, and preview your dives with the pre-dive planning feature. It's fueled by the Bullman ZHL 16C based PZ Plus algorithm, is altitude adjustable up to 14,000 feet, and has a maximum depth readout of 330 feet dive mode and 399 feet gauge mode. Easily read in low lighting with its well-lit backlighting, and maintain your settings and calculations when replacing the user-chargeable CR2450 lithium battery with data retention. Download the Diver Log Plus app to wirelessly interact with the console using Bluetooth smart technology, letting you remotely control settings, view log, profile data, locations, notes, and other details, as well as store and share photos or videos of your dive. Count on the water activation feature to give you a worry-free start to your dive, and the audible alarms and high visibility LED warning light to keep you safe during your dive. Utilize history mode to record up to 24 dives. Take advantage of up to 100% O2 nitrox mix capability, and intuitively navigate with single button access to the last dive data. Additional features include optional deep stop with a countdown timer, salt or freshwater dive selection, and user updatable software that gives you access to the latest features and upgrades. If you're interested in technical diving, the Aqualung i550C will have the features you need. Take a moment to hit the subscribe and notification icons to stay up to date with our latest videos, and check out the links in the description for the most recent prices. Number 3. Best Value Console, Oceanic Pro Plus 4.0. The Oceanic Pro Plus 4.0 is our selection as the best value dive console. A brand new extra-large display boasts a wider font size that's crisp and easy to read, with 22% larger digits, making it among the clearest consoles on the market. Its fast-set menu with dual-button operation is user-friendly and gives quick access to a suite of interface features. Its operating modes consist of air, nitrox, or extended range gauge mode. The user-replaceable CR2 battery lasts up to 300 hours, and the console can log up to 24 dives. Airtime remaining shows you exactly how long you can stay underwater and can be displayed as a numerical bar graph or as oversized digits. Dive time remaining combines airtime remaining, nitrogen, and oxygen absorption to calculate when you'll need to surface. Push button activation gives you the option to manually activate the device, or simply jump in the water and let automatic activation do the work. Powered by dual algorithm, the console lets you choose the algorithm and its conservatism, letting you match your dive partner. Choose between Pelagic Z+ or Pelagic D-SAT options. A variety of system and user-customized audible alarms alert you to situations that pose potential danger, or simply serve as convenient reminders. And if you don't notice the alarms, its flashing LED warning light will definitely catch your attention. Connect with the Diver Log Plus app to access a suite of pre-dive tools and post-dive tools. Additional features include optional quick disconnect, nitrox mixtures from 21% to 100%, automatic safety stop prompt, smart glow backlighting, an optional side scan compass, and more. If you're looking to get the most out of your hard-earned money, the Oceanic Pro Plus 4.0 is sure to please. Number 4. Best Air Integrated Console, Sherwood Scuba Wisdom 3. The Sherwood Scuba Wisdom 3 is our recommendation as the best air integrated dive console. The computer has diver selectable alarms, deep stop reminders, deco warnings, and has air mode, nitrox mode, and gauge mode, all on an easy-to-use, easy-to-read, large digital display. Use the airtime remaining feature to tell exactly how much time you have remaining before running out of air, and use the dive time remaining feature to calculate how much time you have remaining based on airtime remaining, nitrogen, and oxygen absorption. Walk yourself through any dive beforehand and see your limits without getting wet using the dive simulator. Analyze information from previous dives to see the limits of your next dive with repetitive dive planning mode, and easily log your dives with the dive log function to store profiles that you can recall and view later. With its push-button automatic activation features, you can verify operation manually or simply jump in the water to activate the computer. The console uses both audible alarms and visual alarms for vital information concerning your diving safety. Its hydroglow screen illuminates during low light or night diving conditions, letting you easily read computer data regardless of dive conditions. And it'll even let you know when it's safe to fly after your dive with up to the minute desaturation calculations. Finding your way back to the beach or boat is made easy with the compass module that's mounted above the computer. And gain peace of mind knowing your delicate instrument can be easily kept with you using the quick disconnect fitting. Additionally, the computer uses a CR2450 lithium battery that's easily user replaceable. If you're looking for an air integrated option, the Sherwood Scuba Wisdom 3 is a great choice. Before we continue, be sure to hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. Let us know in the comments what you're currently using and if it's time for an upgrade. Number 5. Best Budget Console, Cressi Mini Console PD2. The Cressi Mini Console PD2 is our pick as the best budget dive console. This miniature console houses a mini manometer pressure gauge and an analog depth gauge in a modern shaped console boot made from polycarbonate and Desmopan thermoplastic polyurethane that protects it from shocks and scratches. The gauges are high-quality instruments with chrome-plated brass cases and have large, circular, easy-to-read scales, while the rubber boot is textured to ensure a sure grip. Both gauges feature luminescent faces that give you increased readability during low light or night diving conditions, are positioned in such a way that both instruments can be quickly read and are available in metric or imperial versions. The mini depth gauge reads to a maximum of 70 meters or 230 feet and has depth indications spaced out in 3 meters or 10 feet increments for the first 12 meters or 40 feet to give you a more precise reading during safety stops. It's also got a maximum depth indicator to help you keep track of your dive. The pressure gauge dial is color-coded in red, green, and blue to give you instant readability at a glance, and reads pressure up to a maximum of 350 bar or 5,000 psi. Its front glass also acts as a pressure relief valve and allows excess pressure to escape in the event of a sudden pressure increase. Additionally, the console features 2 connection loops, one on each side for attaching a clip or a bungee. If you're looking for an affordable option that gets the job done, definitely check out the Cressi Mini Console PD2. That's it for our list, thanks for watching. Click the next video to watch more reviews. Until next time, this has been Tech Spectrum.